Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to make a video about integration. What is integration? Integration is the reverse process of differentiation. The process of getting from f to the power of 1x to fx is called integration. And the general expression for fx is called the indefinite integral of f to the power of 1x. The indefinite integral always includes an added constant k, which is called an arbitrary constant. It is easy to find a rule for integrating functions which are powers to x, because differentiation reduces by the index by 1. Integration must increase it by 1. So, the function of x to the power of n must be derived from some multiple of x to the power of n plus 1. But the derivative of x to the power of n plus 1 is n plus 1 times x to the power of n. So, to reduce the coefficient in the derivative to 1, you have a multiply x to the power of n plus 1 by 1 over n plus 1. The rule is therefore that one integral of x to the power of n is 1 over n plus 1 times x to the power of n plus 1. That's the theorem of integration. But notice an important exception to this rule. This formula has no meaning if n plus 1 is 0. So it doesn't give the integral of x to the power of negative 1 or 1 over x. The extension to functions which are sums of powers of x then follows from equivalent rules for differentiation. That's an important theorem of indefinite integral. The indefinite integral of a function made up of the sum of multiples of x to the power of n, where x not same equals negative 1 is the corresponding sum of multiplies of 1 over n plus 1 times x to the power of n plus 1, together with an added arbitrary constant. Okay, for the example, find the following indefinite integral. Number 1, integral x squared plus 6x plus 8 dx. And answer, it's simple, right? First, you write again the example and then increase the power to by 1. So, x to the power of 2 plus 1 times 1 over n plus 1, where n equals to 2. So, 1 over 2 plus 1 plus 6x 1 plus 1. Why 1? Because in this variable 6x not have the power. So we can imagine that's 1. And then 6x to the power of 1 plus 1 times 1 over 1 plus 1 times 8x. So this number, if we integers, you just edit the x. Okay. And then 1 over 3 times x to the power of 3 plus 6x squared times 1 over 2 plus 8x. So the result is x to the power of 3 times 1 over 3 equals to x to the power of 3 over 3 plus 6x squared times 1 over 2. 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. So 3x squared plus ax. And then you can call it x to the power of 3 plus 3 over 3 plus 3 x squared plus 8x plus c. Okay, I think that's enough. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you to the next video. Bye bye.